USB-C to HDMI adapters are essential for connecting modern laptops and phones to TVs or monitors, enabling seamless high-resolution video output. My today's video is about top 5 best USB-C to HDMI adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hiwing's USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Hiwing's USB-C to HDMI 4K at 60 Hz adapter is a well-built and reliable solution for users who want to connect modern USB-C devices to HDMI displays with minimal effort. Designed specifically for devices that support DisplayPort Alternate Mode, DP Alt Mode, it works smoothly with compatible laptops and smartphones such as MacBook, Dell XPS, Samsung Galaxy S series, and Microsoft Surface devices. The adapter supports crisp 4K resolution at 60 Hz with data transmission up to 18 gigabits per second, delivering smooth visuals ideal for presentations, streaming, or gaming. Its plug-and-play design eliminates the need for drivers or complicated setup, instantly turning a USB-C port into an HDMI output. Durability is another strong point, featuring 24K gold-plated connectors, military-grade nylon braiding, and reinforced strain relief rated for up to 25,000 flex cycles, ensuring long-term reliability. The adapter also conveniently extends the reach of an HDMI cable for flexible setups in home theaters or gaming rooms. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it offers both performance and peace of mind for everyday connectivity needs. Now our second product is Anker USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Anker 310 USB-C adapter, 4K HDMI, delivers the reliability and performance expected from Anker, a company trusted by millions for high-quality connectivity solutions. Designed for modern laptops and devices with USB-C, this adapter instantly converts a USB-C port into an HDMI output, enabling seamless connection to TVs, monitors, or projectors without installing drivers. It supports up to 4K video output, producing crisp visuals and smooth playback. Ideal for presentations, streaming movies, or extending a laptop display for productivity. The build quality stands out, featuring a sleek aluminum casing that improves heat dissipation and a reinforced braided nylon cable engineered to endure daily bends and pulls. Compatibility is another strong advantage, supporting USB-C DisplayPort Alt Mode, USB 4 and Thunderbolt connections, ensuring it works with many modern laptops and tablets. Compact, durable, and truly plug-and-play, the adapter is a dependable accessory for anyone needing quick, stable 4K display connectivity at home, the office, or while traveling. Our third product is BenfEye USB-C to HDMI adapter. The BenfEye USB-C to HDMI adapter is a compact yet powerful accessory designed for users who frequently connect USB-C devices to external displays. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to slip into a bag or pocket, making it ideal for business presentations, travel setups, or extending a laptop screen to a larger monitor or HD TV. Equipped with an advanced IC chip, the adapter ensures stable conversion of USB-C digital signals to HDMI output, provided the device supports DisplayPort Alternate Mode. Performance is impressive, supporting resolutions up to 4K, 3840 by 2160, at 60 Hz, while remaining backward compatible with 2K, 1080p, and other common resolutions for smooth and clear visuals. The gold-plated USB-C connector improves signal transmission and resists corrosion, while molded strain relief enhances durability during daily use. It also offers wide compatibility with many devices, including modern MacBook models, Dell XPS laptops, Chromebooks, and select smartphones. Backed by an 18-month warranty, this adapter provides reliable performance and peace of mind for everyday connectivity needs. Now number 4. Acer USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Thunderbolt 3/4/5 to HDMI USB-C cable offers a reliable and high-performance solution for connecting USB-C devices to HDMI displays. delivering a stunning 4K UHD visual experience at 60 Hz while remaining backward compatible with 1440p and 1080p resolutions. Designed for plug-and-play simplicity, it eliminates the need for drivers or unstable wireless connections, ensuring smooth media streaming with HDCP compliance. Its durable, braided design, reinforced connectors, and premium aluminum/copper shielding protect against wear, signal loss, and heat buildup, providing consistent, lag-free audio and video. Ideal for gaming, movies, presentations, or extended work setups. Users can mirror or extend their desktops to UHD TVs or 4K monitors, improving productivity and versatility across home or office environments. Compatible with a wide range of devices that support DisplayPort alternate mode, including MacBook Pro/Air, iMac, iPad Pro, Surface laptops, Dell XPS, and Samsung Galaxy series. This cable is a dependable, universal solution for modern multimedia and professional workflows. Multiple lengths allow flexible setup without sacrificing quality. And our last choice is Worky USB-C to HDMI adapter. The Worky USB-C to HDMI 4K at 60 Hz cable is a premium, meticulously crafted solution for connecting USB-C devices to HDMI displays, delivering crystal-clear 4K visuals at 60 Hz, while remaining backward compatible with 1440p at 60 Hz, 2K at 144 Hz, and 1080p at 240 Hz. Its plug-and-play design enables instant mirroring or extension of UHD content from laptops, tablets, or phones to monitors, TVs, and projectors without drivers or unstable Wi-Fi, with HDCP compliance ensuring smooth media streaming. Built for durability and performance, it features gold-plated connectors, unibody molding, thicker copper wiring, and an aluminum case to reduce signal loss and heat, while the nylon braided jacket, non-slip thumb grip, and shock-proof metal fittings prevent fraying, kinking, or accidental disconnection. Stylish and practical, includes a Velcro tie for portability. Compatible with a wide range of devices supporting DP Alt mode or Thunderbolt 3 of 4, including MacBook, iMac, iPad Pro, Surface, Dell XPS, Samsung Galaxy, and more. This cable combines sophistication, reliability, and convenience for both professional and personal use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.